All right, next up, Select Soccer. Euro 2020. Drafted teams, there they are. Portugal won. England, Germany, France, and the Netherlands rounding out the top 5. In this draft, we got some pretty good stuff in the first 2 dual boxes. We got autographs of really good players. I guess I don't know how extensive the autograph checklist is, but we got some really good autographs yesterday, so hopefully that keeps up. Like Edit was saying yesterday, though, it is kind of loaded because it's obviously the best players from the club teams that are on the national teams, so. Arnautovic. Austria tricolor. The Czech and Scandinavian and Russian names are really, really test me. Edit. I'm not good at them. Sabitzer from Austria. 225. This is the last break of the night, by the way. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to have going on tomorrow. Some Chronicles, though. First off the line. Oh, yeah, that's true. Vitch. At the end of that, I'm sure. Top of the class. Ter Stegen for Germany. Klausterman for Germany. Mezzanine rookie. Hinteregger. Kramaric for Croatia. Tricolor. We have been accepting some members. If you get a good, strong application in, you might be accepted. You probably will be. Collis, field level. Rookie. I sleep and top loaded all the field level rookies. And all this, any silver rookies or anything like that. Dendonker. Field level rookie. Linglet for France. I don't know, Edit. I didn't. Something tells me he might not have what it takes. A long way. Arajuri. Blue die cut rookie for Finland. To 175. Ugly Nuggin. There's a numbered rookie for you anyway. Of the venerable Paulus Arajuri. Yuri Ironen for Finland. Silver mezzanine rookie. Neuer mezzanine. Ronaldo relic. It's our second one of those too. Seven Costanza. That's a cool one. Zygankov for the Ukraine to 125. MW Clot. Yeah, Victor. That's true. Victor. Virgil van Dijk. Silverfield level. Pizza. Nice one for the Netherlands. There's a Ronaldo mezzanine. What does that bad boy go for? It's just the base mezzanine. I don't think Luxembourg made the Euros. Mbappe base. Ryan Giggs for Wales. Historical significance. J-Hook. That's a big one. I'm not familiar with Ryan Giggs' work. J-Hook's excited. Awesome. Ryan Giggs. There you go, J-Hook. Congratulations. Declan Rice, purple rookie. To 79. What's the story with Declan Rice? Edit. Mbappe. There's a Declan Rice base rookie. Alaba to 99. That one looks more pink. Die cut. So is the autograph checklist really good, or are we just only getting good autographs? Havertz. He's good too, 7 Costanza. Yeah. Pretty high chance of getting a decent autograph, though, huh? Wow, look at this thing. Frankowski, that's a die cut field level to 25. Rookie for Poland. MW Clot. Is this guy a player? Edit. For J-Hook or anybody who knows? Bellotti, dual relic. MW Clot. Coleman for France to 225. Yeah, this stuff is super fun. I love it. Edit. Pookie. Even not knowing a ton about it, obviously. I love Select. I saw the national logo. Carvalho. 7 Costanza. Yeah, we do, J-Hook. Not, I mean, we're not swimming in it or anything, but we got enough to do a few more dual boxers or something. Ozdov. For Russia to 125. Brad PC. J-Hook wants more after that big Giggs auto. He's thirsty for more. David De Gea to 65. John Boy. I believe that would be USD, Benny. Brian's in the US. Safe to assume most prices in here thrown around are USD. Blind. Red, white, and blue. Mepham. Oh, really, J-Hook? Yeah, we do have some more. Thorgan Hazard. Is he related to Eden Hazard? Or is that a very common Belgian last name? What's his brother? He must be a lot younger than Eden Hazard, though, right? Neuer, red, white, and blue. And a Kaysan rookie. Zielinski X Factor for Poland. Guerrero. Delight. You told me yesterday, I already forgot. Oh, he's only 2 years younger. Feels like Eden Hazard has been playing forever. There's an Mbappe base. I think that's a 1-of-1. Chiellini. I'm pretty sure this is a 1-of-1. Palmieri. MW Clot. It is a 1-of-1. Emerson Palmieri. Cool. 1-of-1. Looks good though, Ugly Noggin, huh? Ooh. I bet that's a big one. Felice. Silver field level for Portugal. Well, I'm not going to say, I couldn't tell if you had seen it already at it. I was going to say. What's that bad boy go for? And every break so far, we've had a Sancho. You got one, Edit. Yeah. How about those two cards back to back? And the last pack of the break, Daniel James, rookie for Wales to 149. Die cut. Harry Kane. No, it's not numbered. They put the field level and the mezzanine silvers backwards. But they're not numbered. Guess we'll start our hit recap there. Look at this thing. Ryan Giggs. A legend in Manchester, in Wales. Carvalho. Bellotti, and a Ronaldo relic. We had a 1-of-1 too. 1-of-1 base Palmieri. See the script 1-of-1 there. We had another Sancho field level. James rookie. De Gea. Ozdoev. Coman. Frankowski. Tie-dye rookie field level. Alaba. Declan Rice. That's a Virgil van Dijk silver field level as well. Then here's just a couple of the base and you know, some star parallels. Havertz, a couple of Mbappe's, a Ronaldo mezzanine. Field level rookies, Collis and Dendoncker. And a Klosterman mezzanine rookie.